Hi guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you my chicken Alfredo recipe. Chicken Alfredo, you will need a 16-ounce box of fettuccine cooked, 2 chicken breasts, I cut mine in half, 1 cup of half and half, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1/4 tablespoon of basil, 1/4 tablespoon of oregano, 1/4 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of knorr chicken powder, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of fresh grated parmesan, 1/2 cup of grated parmesan, salt and pepper to taste, and some oil for frying. First thing we're going to do is mix all of our spices together, the parsley, the basil, the oregano, and the paprika. We're going to mix that up and set it aside. Now we are going to salt and pepper both sides of the chicken, and then we are going to spread all of our seasonings on top of that. Now it is time to fry our chicken. Now we are going to turn a large skillet onto medium-high heat and put some olive oil in our skillet, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. We're going to let that get hot. You want your pan really hot when you put your chicken in there so you can get a good sear on it so your chicken will stay juicy. You want to get a nice sear on both sides of the chicken. We're going to have to do our chicken in batches. We're going to brown this side for about 5 minutes and then turn it and brown the other side. Now that these have been cooking for about 5 minutes on each side, I will take them out. And I'm going to put the other 2 pieces of chicken in my skillet, and I will fry these also for about 5 minutes on each side. Now that these have cooked for 5 minutes on this side, I am going to take them out of the skillet. Now that I have fried my chicken up, I'm going to take my 2 tablespoons of butter and melt it in my skillet. Now that my butter is melted, I am going to add my garlic, and I'm going to saute this for about 30 seconds. Now that my garlic is sauteed, I will add my knorr chicken powder into the skillet and mix that well. Now I am going to put in my heavy cream and my half and half. And I'm just going to stir this until this comes to a boil. Now that my liquid is boiling, I will add my grated Parmesan cheese into the liquid, and I'm going to stir that well. Now that my sauce is up to a simmer, I will add my 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to mix that well. Now Now I'm going to put my chicken back into my sauce. And all the juices. Now I'm going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Now that my Alfredo has simmered for about 5 minutes and it is nice and thick, it is time to plate. I have paired my chicken Alfredo with broccoli florets and garlic bread. If you like quick, easy, and delicious meals, you should give this recipe a try. You will love it, I guarantee it. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below what you want to see me cook next, and before you leave, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.